Our journey begins. It's day 13, June 13, 2024, a self-organizing system with extreme coordination. Kind of thinking through that. It might be a little bit of a shorter exploration, but we will work towards it. All right, so I mainly pulled in the principles of the self-organizing system, which were over here, but we've got a lot of this background knowledge. And then I just asked ChatGPT this question. So let's just start exploring. Let's say, so basically, what in principle would the AI help with? What would an AI's role be? Process, that would be data analysis and decision making. Because, yeah, it's going to be hard in general to do that all by hand in terms of like basically what's going on between millions, billions of people. We have communication can help streamline communication among members. This would just be through like focused, cutting out noise, etc. Conflict resolution. Based on the if there does need to be any resource allocation. But yeah. So yeah, basically just doing it all manually. So yeah, basically its thought is that data analysis can predict outcomes, suggest optimal decisions. We're going to be doing a lot more coding. Okay. I also think that what it would help manage all the other aspects of what the movement would be trying to do, which would be, yeah, basically doing this extreme self-organization that takes into account what everyone's trying to do. But if we don't have an AI that can do that, I think it'd have to be managed by software. I'm just wondering if maybe the whole thing is just a software. Maybe you just have to create a product that does all of this coordination stuff. Only product that might be possible to create. But I could imagine a software product capable of doing so. Let's try to imagine I'm going to make this a different color. Shoot that over to ChatGPT. We're going to have the UI UX. We're going to have the communication. Decision-making governance. Resource management. Basically just repeating all of those, but yeah, I'm just gonna Okay. The UI UX simple interface 2D and 3D spaces to interface activities, resources, updates. I'm just starting to realize that that might be all it takes. Because if everyone can be properly accounted for in things, then everyone can feel like they're making a difference. Although if they see like they're one of 5,000 people that voted for something, then it's like, well, we still would have won that thing. But yeah, basically it would be like every person is integrated. It creates a really strong feeling of belonging because you would be so fully integrated into the movement. And you would be like your involvement would cycle up through everything that happens. Now, it's all grandiose, but like I just realized all of this is very similar to my idea of the ecosystem. Which I have a lot of thinking on that idea. Yeah, even very similar to La Vida Tapestry. Well, that's what would be involved with coordination. I'm not exactly sure. I guess I'll come up with some questions. Maybe what I'll put on here is to review these thoughts, develop thinking on how this could be built, kept safe and secure and transparent. Okay. All right. Yeah, because I'm not sure how else you would. That's like the whole point. Because if you're not, someone has to align everything. Like when you have a magnet, and it's like a self-organizing principle that all of the grains of the magnet of like a small shard of metal that's magnetic will like align with the positive and negative. And that's kind of what I imagine I see all the people, and they're all doing their thing and they're all trying their best to be the best version of themselves. But then through this sort of thing which can manage everyone's efforts, then that by default has everyone going in the right direction towards this big goal. And that can compound and compound until, because of the efficiency of everyone working together and extreme coordination, we can actually get stuff done. And you're not duplicating efforts. And of course, you could use all of these principles for creating a company as well. Or you could think, well, maybe we should just do it like a company with a hierarchical structure or loose self-organizing teams or whatever. But I don't think that's going to work. I think it has to be by the people, for the people sort of thing. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. It's been day 13. I'll see you tomorrow.